What's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjed, and in this video we are going to create this beautiful invisible effect. First you need to film the background and then you have to film yourself. So now we have the empty background and now we have the character. Now we have to export this video first. So go to the deliver, go to the export, and now let's export this video. Now right here as you can see we have to click here and now we have to go to the video editor project. Now I'm going to create a new project. Go to video composition. Now we have to click here to upload the video. Once your video is uploaded, we can go to the frame where we have the character. Now let's go to the AI tools, go to green screen. Now in green screen, we have to add a point to our character. And now as you can see, the AI beautifully detect the character. Now I'm going to also increase the exclude feather. So I'm going to increase my exclude feather 30%. Now we are done. Now we have to click here, then masking. Once we have this character cut out, we have to go to the export, select your resolution. If you are using the free account, unfortunately, we can only export to 720p resolution. But it is fine, it won't hurt your video quality. So now we have to export this video. We are going to use this video as a displacement mat. Now click here, export submitted. Now once you have your video, we have to click onto this video and now let's download this video. So click here to download your video. Now import your clip that you just downloaded from Runway ML. Now I'm going to first of all select my clip, press Alt key, hold your Alt key, drag this to the right side to create a duplicate clip. First I'm going to select my first clip and I'm going to create a freeze frame. I'm going to place my footage on top of this freeze frame. I'm going to select these two, right click, create a new fusion clip. Now go to the fusion page and as you can see we have these clips. So first of all I'm going to remove my background. I'm going to remove the merge and I'm going to select this, press 1 on the keyboard, and as you can see this is the freeze frame. So first I'm going to connect this freeze frame to the media out. I'm going to drag my Runway ML footage right here, which is media in 3. I'm going to press shift plus space, search for the effect called displace. I'm going to select my node of displace, press shift, hold your shift key and drag this in between these two nodes. So it is now connected. Now we can drag this media in 3 to this displace, and now if we go to this frame, if we increase the light power, lower the refraction strength, we have this effect. We can also lower this even more, so we can type -15 maybe, and now check this out. Let's type -5. So now we have this clean effect. You can also change the angle if you want to. We can also spread this. So now we have this effect. Now to make a transition from invisible effect to the real footage, we have this node. I'm going to drag my merge node, connect this in between these two nodes, connect my media in 3, connect this with the merge node. And now as you can see, we have this original footage. So now I'm going to select my merge node, add a keyframe in blend, change the blend to 0. And from here to here, I'm going to increase the blend to back to 1. Now check this out. So we have this invisible effect and we have this transition. We can also smooth this out. So go to this spline, click here, select these two keyframe, smooth them out. And now check this out. You can also increase the light. Go to the displace, increase the light. So this is how you can create this invisible effect in the free version of DaVinci Resolve.